Hello guys, welcome back to today's tutorial. Today we are going to look at how we differentiate using product tool. Okay, how we differentiate using product tool. So product tool says that if you have a function, let's say it's f of x equals to g of x multiplied by h of x. So you have two functions like this. You have this one and this. If you have this, it says that if you want to differentiate, so f prime of x, that means the first differential of x, is equals to, now you hold this, so meaning you're not going to differentiate this one, you maintain this and differentiate this, then plus you maintain this and differentiate this. It just depends. So you can say, you can either hold this first, h of x, then multiply by the differential of g prime of x plus, now the next thing, I have differentiated this one, right? Now I'm going to hold this g of x, then multiply by h prime of x. Okay, so that's it. Now in another way, which most of you maybe have seen this one, you can say this is y equals to uv, where u and v are functions of x. So therefore, if you need y, you can say y prime, or you can say, so you can say y prime of x, or you can say dy over dx equals to, so you say v du over dx, you are differentiating u with respect to x, plus u dv over dx. Okay, which most of you have seen. So now all you have to do here is to take one of these to be u and the other one be v. Easy. Okay, so let's see. You can say let u equals to cos, let u equals to cos into 2x. Now you differentiate this. The method we have to apply here, for us to differentiate cos 2x, first of all, you differentiate what is inside the bracket. If you differentiate what is inside the bracket, 2x, if you differentiate 2x, you are going to have 2. And that's basic. Okay? So meaning that you take this one, you multiply it by this, becomes 2 again. You multiply the power by the coefficient of x, then you subtract 1 from the power. Okay? So you have 2x, 1 minus 1. So you have this one, you multiply it by 2, which gives you 2 again, subtract 1 from the power, that's differentiation. And this becomes 0. So 2x raised to the power 0, any number raised to the power 0 is 1. Okay, so that becomes 2. So you differentiate this, becomes 2. Now you are going to have, so your du over dx becomes 2 multiplied by, now you differentiate the whole of this function, cos 2x. When you differentiate cos, you have negative sign. Okay, so are going to be minus sine, what is inside the bracket again, 2x. Okay, so your du over dx becomes minus 2 sine into 2x. Okay, easy. Now you take this ln function, so you have v to be e raised to the power 4x. Now you differentiate this one, so dv over dx, this again you differentiate the power. If you differentiate, this becomes 4, so you bring that 4 down. Okay, now you differentiate the whole of this function multiplied by e raised to, when you differentiate e raised to power anything, it's just e raised to that. Okay, so e raised to the power 4x again. Now once you've done your differentiations, you just apply this formula. Okay, so now your dy over dx equals to, because this is y and the function here is x, so dy over dx equals to, my v is what? E raised to the power 4x. So this becomes e raised to the power 4x multiplied by du over dx. Du over dx is minus 2 sine 2x, right? Plus u, my u is what? Cos 2x. So we have this cos 2x, multiply it by dv over dx. dv over dx is 4 e raised to the power 4x. Okay, now once you have that, You have e raised to the power 4x, e raised to the power 4x here. So you factor that. If you factor e raised to the power 4x, what remains here is minus 2 sine 2x. Then this becomes plus cos 2x. Sorry, so I have 4 here. So that becomes 4 cos 2x, right? You close bracket. Now, if you just want to write it better, this can become e raised to the power 4x into, you put first the positive, so that becomes 4 cos all into 2x minus 2 sine all into 2x, which becomes your answer. Okay? So you don't need to have 20 problems for you to understand a particular method. Okay? I guess just this one problem is enough, except if you guys want me to do another one, which I think some of you want. Okay? So let's see. Let's go through one simple problem. It's not going to be complex as this one. It's going to be easy. So let's say if you are given y equals to 2x plus 3 and you have x plus 1. Okay? This is very easy. So you have u and v. Okay? So this becomes u, this becomes v. So your u is that 2x plus 3. If you differentiate this, du over dx becomes what? So this becomes 2. When you differentiate a constant, is 0. So your v here again becomes x plus 1. If you differentiate dv over dx equals 2. When you differentiate this, remember the power of this is 1. 1 times this, it becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So here becomes 1. When you differentiate this, is 0. Okay? So now you have all this. So you have your dy over dx equals to v du. Remember the formula. V du. V is what? X plus 1. Du is 2 plus u dv. U is what? 2x plus 3. And my dv is what? 1. Okay? So your answer becomes 2 into x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3. Now, this you can simplify. This becomes 2x plus 2 plus 2x plus 3. Okay? 2x, that becomes, so that becomes 4x plus 2 plus this becomes 5. So your answer, your dy over dx becomes 4x plus 5. Easy. See you in my next video. And if this has been helpful to you, all you have to do, please consider subscribing. And if you want to learn maths, the basics, okay, like high school, college entrance level, then this is the place for you to be. So hit that bell notification so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Let's make learning something that is fun, okay? Especially mathematics, because most of us are afraid of mathematics. See you in my next video. Bye bye. And be sure to follow me on all of social media, okay? I'm on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, okay? It's the same name, Adijibo Math Channel, okay? Except on TikTok, I have a different name, Jibrila Kamara. See you.